Hey guys, James here. Thanks for coming back to the shop one more time. Today we are going to be applying the U-Pull Raptor Liner on this WJ Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you're interested, stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get going on this. We are going to be using the Raptor Liner on this Jeep today. So right now we're going to be doing the black. We're going to be spraying the undercarriage, some undercarriage parts, the back hitch, the wheel wells, and then we'll untape some of the stuff, and we're going to be spraying the tintable Raptor Liner on the whole body. So what you're going to need for this is probably a Tyvek suit. I like wearing a hood, it's a little cheap hood thingy. If you wear prescription glasses, I'd recommend using an old pair of glasses so you're not getting this stuff on your new glasses. Of course, some rubber gloves, and most importantly, a respirator. Guys, don't skimp on wearing a respirator. This is, volatile organic compounds that can kill you. Let's learn from the guys from the past and wear our personal protection devices, okay? So it's real simple. We'll zoom in and do a little close-up, but you basically fill the hardener up to a line. I guess it's this line here. You shake it and you shoot it. We're going to be using the gun that came with it. It's just a simple undercoat gun. I put my regulator on it and a little filter that catches any water coming in from the air compressor, and it should be a piece of cake. We'll have Gavin following us around while we're shooting, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, we're going to mix this up. We used 8 ounces of Raptor hardener with a whole bottle of the liner. This one did come with a mixing cup to give you an 8-ounce line. I'm also going to use my scale. So I have that zeroed out, so I'm going to go ahead and just pour in 8 ounces. See how close their line is here. When you're pouring cans like this too, it's a good idea to put the lid up, the hole up. See how much nicer that pours? Alright, 8.1 ounces, perfect. Close that up. Now we're going to just pour that into the bottle. I missed a little bit, so good thing. Oh, geez. Alright, I missed a little bit there, but that's alright. I don't think we're gonna. Alright, we are ready to shoot. I'm just gonna close this up. Don't torque the lid down too tight. You might over torque it, and then I always like to hold a rag around stuff if I'm gonna be shaking, just in case. Shake it up real good. I know, that's exciting.
Content.
Quality YouTube content. Yeah. Alright. Alright, that's it. And we're gonna put the gun on here. They really made it pretty easy with this. Now there is, I see a big vent hole in here, so be prepared for liner could come pouring out of there if you if you tilt it too much. All right, that's it. time I've ever shot the Raptor, and it really shot well. It covered really nice. The texture is nice, and I'm really glad I had the Tyvek suit because it is messy. It's kind of splattering all over the place, so I would definitely recommend getting the headstock, get the gear, and use 2 cans to do all 4 wheel wells and the back hitch area. So just so you know how much you're going to use. So I had a little teeny bit extra that I sprayed in the inside of the front fenders, and that was it on 2 cans. So we'll let that cure for a little bit, and we're going to move on to taping off the Jeep for the color. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. All that helps with the algorithms with YouTube. And come back and check us out again. Thank you.